Hello everyone. So today let's look at the three editions of Java. As we all know, there are three editions of Java, which are Java Platform Standard Edition. The second is Java Platform Enterprise Edition. The third one is Java Platform Micro Edition. Okay, these are also known as J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. The ones on the left are the old names and the ones on the right are the new names. One more point I would like to clear here is a lot of people think that this M in J2ME stands for mobile, but that is incorrect. It does not stand for mobile, it stands for micro. Okay, now let's look at each of them and its purpose. So the first one, that is standard edition, it is containing the fundamentals of Java, that is things like declaring variables, functions, passing values to it, and all of that. Okay, so it also acts as foundation for J2EE. Okay, now what kind of applications can we create using J2SE? So we can create standalone applications using it. Now, what are standalone applications? So the applications that we install and execute on a single machine are called standalone applications. Okay. Now moving on to the next one, that is Enterprise Edition. So the kind of applications that we create through this are the enterprise applications. Okay, now what are enterprise applications? So the actual softwares, the complex softwares that are actually being used in the industries. For example, if you take the banking applications where a lot of people are using it at the same time, are called enterprise applications, and they use the client server architecture, yeah, and which means that the business logic is distributed over multiple machines. All right, so yeah, that's all about it. Now the next one is J2ME. So we used to use this earlier for designing applications for those old smartphones. Okay, so at that time there was a lot of demand for this, but now since we all are having smartphones, we do not really use this, and a lot of people do not even specify it. Okay, so now let's just revise it. So first one, standard edition, it's having the fundamentals of Java. We can create standalone applications with it. The second is Java Platform Enterprise Edition. We create enterprise applications with it. The third one is Java Platform Micro Editions. We do not use it now. We used to design old small phone applications with it. Okay, so that's all about it. Thank you so much.